Right, this is a Volvo 240 with an m47 gearbox. These bosses where the slave cylinder is fixed is usually a circular boss, and they can break sometimes when the gearbox is off the car maybe, and it gets like chucked around or dropped. That can break. This one, it looks like it's been broken for well, it definitely has been broken for a very long time, and the boss was just about round the slave cylinder enough so that it didn't fall out. With the circlip, the opening of the circlip, if I can actually point my camera at it, was right round inside, right round in there, and presumably the reason for that was something to do with it, that whoever fitted this last with the broken boss not wanting it to ping off, so it was very difficult to get circuit pliers on it. So what I did was I got my Dremel and the little carbide burr and I started to eat into there, and then I basically gave it the tiniest little tap with a screwdriver and a hammer, and it just, a little bit of this broke off the boss here, a little bit, and it was just the only bit that was holding it on. And I suspect that it had actually been glued back together in the past, because there was quite a lot of sort of cack on the inside of there, and I think that has been glued in there in the past. Anyway, so I drilled through there with a 6mm drill bit all the way through and right through the other side as well. Done 2 holes right next to each other and then opened them out into like an oval shaped hole. Past a Jubilee clip thing, it's like a 3-inch Jubilee clip or something like that, 2.5 inch. Wound it up nice and tight, and hopefully, I can't move it with my hands at all, it's really in there tight, so I think that's going to fix it. Might be worth, I just thought it would be worth a mention. I've seen the gearboxes scrapped in the past because of that broken casing, so we'll see what happens. Well, got the door card off. That's not good. What the fuck? Why is there water running out of the speaker wires? What the hell?